Students, now we will prove Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem. Statement: let V be a volume bounded by a smooth surface S. Let f x y z be a continuous function, then triple integration del dot f dv equals to double integration f dot n ds, where n is outward unit vector. Proof: f equals to f1i, f2j, f3k del dot f del f1 upon del x del f2 upon del y del f3 upon del z, triple integration del dot f dv del f1 upon del x del f2 upon del y plus del f3 upon del z dx dy dz. n equals to n1i plus n2j plus n3k. n1 means cos alpha I, cos beta j, cos gamma k. f dot n ds f1 cos alpha, f2 cos beta, f3 cos gamma. Double integration s f dot n ds f1 cos alpha, f2 cos beta, f3 cos gamma ds f1 dy dz, f2 dz dx, f3 dz dx. Divergence theorem: del dot f divergence f dv equals to double integration f dot n ds, means double integration del f1 upon del x del f1 up to upon del y del f3 upon del z dx dy dz. f1 dy dz, f2 dz dx, f3 dx dz. Students, statement: V be a volume bounded by smooth surface S and let f be a continuous function, triple integration v del dot f dv, divergence f dv equals to double integration f dot n ds. N is the unit normal vector drawn outward. F equals to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, divergence f and triple integration divergence f dv is that dv equals to volume of the small element dx dy dz. N means unit normal, n1i, n2j, n3k means cos alpha I, cos beta j, cos gamma k, f dot n ds, and cos alpha ds means dy dz, cos beta ds means dz dx, cos gamma ds means dz dx. And next R x y z. N1, N2, gamma 1, gamma 2, S1 surface, S2 surface, S3 N3. K I J K. Student, that is the surface of cylindrical parallelepiped upper portion S1 whose unit vector n1 makes acute angle with k, and the surface S2, the normal n2 makes angle gamma 2, that is obtuse angle with k, and surface S3 whose normal n3 is right angle means 90 degree, and let us suppose let z equals to gxy and z equals to fxy are the equations of surface S1 and S2. Triple integration z equals to fxy gxy del f3 upon del z dz dx dy or f3 एक्स वाई जेड एफ एक्स वाई जी एक्स वाई डी एक्स डी वाई। F3 एक्स वाई जी एक्स वाई माइनस F3 एक्स वाई एफ एक्स वाई। डी एक्स डी वाई। डेल F3 अपॉन डेल जेड डी एक्स डी वाई डी जेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। एंड सपोज normal n1 of S1 makes acute angle with K, then K dot n1 ds1 cos gamma 1 ds1 dx dy। The value of cosine in acute angle always positive। S1 F3 K dot n1 ds1 F3 K dot n1 ds1 means dx dy, F3 means xyz lower upper portion z equals to gxy। Equation 2 lower portion normal n2 of S2 lower portion makes obtuse angle with K। Value of cosine function in obtuse angle means more than 90, angle lies between 0 to 90 called obtuse angle, whose cosine value negative। K dot n2 ds2 equals to cos gamma 2 ds2 minus dx dy। S2 F3 K dot n2 ds2 F3 lower portion, equation of lower portion z equals to fxy, fxy is function, upper portion normal n3 of S3 makes right angle with K। K dot n3 ds3 equals to cos pi by 2 dx dy equals to 0। S3 F3 K dot n3 ds3 equals to 0। Now S F3 K dot n ds S1 F3 K dot n1 ds1 S2 F3 K dot n2 ds2 S3 F3 K dot n3 ds3 equals to f3 xy gxy dx dy minus f3 xy fxy dx dy plus 0. That is equation number 4. From equation 1, from equation first and fourth, f3 del f3 upon del z dx dy dz equals to double integration s f3 k dot n ds. Similarly, b del f2 upon del y dx dy dz equals to s f2 j dot n ds and del f1 upon del x dx dy dz as f1 I dot n ds. Adding corresponding sides of these equations, adding corresponding sides del f1 upon del x del f2 upon del y del f3 upon del z dx dy dz equals to f1i f2j f3k dot n ds. That is divergence f dot dv equals to s f dot n ds. That is the proof of Gauss divergence theorem. That's all.